Welcome to this interactive demo of Microsoft 365 Backup by CrashPlan. We'll go through everything you need to know to get a basic understanding of how to navigate on the dashboard. Log into the management portal using the administrator credentials you received from CrashPlan. Once you have logged in, you will see a wizard that will guide you through the process to integrate your Microsoft 365 tenant with CrashPlan. Once you have carefully read the instructions, click Proceed. The first step is to allow CrashPlan to read data from your Microsoft 365 tenant for purposes of backup. To allow this, click on the Grant Admin Consent button. Select an administrator account for your Microsoft 365 tenant. Once logged in, you'll see all the permissions required by CrashPlan to read data using Microsoft's Graph APIs. Click on Accept to grant these permissions. Once the first step is complete, you will be redirected to the Microsoft 365 consent screen to repeat the process so CrashPlan can write data back in your Microsoft 365 tenant for restores. Click on Grant Admin Consent button. The next step is to configure your Microsoft 365 assets for backup. A simple way to get started is to use this option to automatically discover and assign mailboxes for backup. After selecting and assigning policies to all the desired users, click Save to apply the configuration. All users configured for backups will be visible on the Manage Assets screen. You can go through a similar process to assign backup licenses and policies to OneDrive for business and SharePoint sites.